Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly transform your travel experience, the Travel-Wise Packing Cubes 5-piece luggage organizer set. We found this fantastic set online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these packing cubes? Well, they're a set of 5 lightweight luggage organizers designed to help you stay organized while traveling. This set includes 1 small cube, 2 medium cubes, and 2 large cubes, giving you multiple options for storing clothes, accessories, and other travel essentials. Each cube has a structured design that helps keep everything neatly in place, from the moment you pack your suitcase to when you arrive at your destination. Let's talk about some of the standout features of these packing cubes. First and foremost, their snug design ensures that your packed items won't shift during transit. This is particularly important for travelers who want to avoid the dreaded wrinkled clothes that can come from tossing everything into a suitcase. With these cubes, your outfits will arrive looking fresh and ready to wear, saving you the hassle of extra ironing once you reach your destination. Another significant feature is the durable and lightweight construction of these cubes. Made from poly ripstop material, they resist tears and abrasions while maintaining a low overall weight. This makes them ideal for various types of luggage, whether you're using a carry-on, checked bag, backpack, or travel duffel bag. You'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to pack efficiently and travel light without sacrificing your wardrobe. The Travel-Wise packing cubes also have a breathable mesh panel on the front. This panel allows for airflow, keeping your clothes fresh throughout your journey. Plus, the built-in webbing handle makes it easy to grab individual cubes from your suitcase without having to unpack everything. This feature is particularly convenient for quick access to essentials, whether you're on a long flight or a weekend getaway. Now, who are these packing cubes suitable for? Essentially, anyone who travels frequently or even occasionally can benefit from this set. They're perfect for families. Imagine having a designated cube for each family member's clothes, which makes packing and unpacking so much more manageable. They're also great for solo travelers who want to keep their luggage organized during longer trips, whether it's a week-long vacation or an international journey. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're planning a cruise, these packing cubes can help you sort outfits for different days and activities, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. For business travelers, the cubes can be used to separate formal attire from casual wear, so you're always ready for any occasion. And if you're heading out for a weekend getaway, simply pack your essentials in these cubes, and you can quickly grab what you need without unpacking everything. In terms of care, these packing cubes are easy to maintain. You can hand wash them and hang dry, ensuring they're travel ready for your next adventure. Plus, the fun pattern design makes them easy to spot in your luggage, a small yet significant detail when you're trying to locate your belongings quickly. In conclusion, the Travel-Wise Packing Cubes 5-piece luggage organizer set is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their travel organization. With their durable construction, effective design, and thoughtful features, they can make a world of difference in how you pack and travel. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.